This question gives us two functions. F of x is 3x minus 2, and g of x is 2x squared plus 5x plus 1. We want to determine f circle g of negative 2 and g circle f of x. So we'll start with f circle g of negative 2, that is f of g of negative 2. So I need to do g of negative 2. But what do I know? G of x is 2x squared plus 5x plus 1. So g of something is 2 times something squared plus 5 times something plus 1. But what is the something here? The something here is going to be negative 2. So g of x is 2x squared plus 5x plus 1. G of something is 2 something squared plus 5 something plus 1. Plug negative 2 in there for something. And I get g of negative 2 equals 2 times 4 plus 5 times negative 2, which is minus 10, plus 1. G of negative 2 is 8 minus 10 plus 1. G of negative 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 minus 10 is negative 1. So that's what g of negative 2 is. So I can replace g of negative 2 with negative 1. So this is the same as f of negative 1. But what is f of x? F of x is 3x minus 2. So f of something is 3 times something minus 2. What is my something here? This something is negative 1. So we get 3 times negative 1 minus 2. So that's negative 3 minus 2, which is negative 5. So f circle g of negative 2 seems to equal negative 5. The next question asks us to get g circle f of x. So what do we have here? We have, again, f of x is 3x minus 2. And g of x is 2x squared plus 5x plus 1. And I am interested in g circle f of x. What does that mean? G circle f of x means g of f of x. But what is g of something? Well, g of x is 2x squared plus 5x plus 1. So g of something is 2 times something squared plus 5 times the something plus 1. So the reality is I have here g of f of x, which is g of what? Replacing f of x, which is 3x minus 2. So the something that I need here is 3x minus 2. So g of f of x is g of 3x minus 2. G of something, 2 something squared plus 5 something plus 1. The something is 3x minus 2. So now I need to do 3x minus 2 squared. I like to use my multiplication box to visualize that process. 3x minus 2 times 3x minus 2, 9x squared minus 6x minus 6x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4, which gives me 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. That is 3x minus 2 squared. And now it is time for us to distribute. 2 times 9x squared is 18x squared. Minus 2 times 12x is 24x. Plus 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 5 times 3x is 15x. Minus 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1. Let's look for like terms. 18x squared is the only x squared piece. We have negative 24x and 15x. Negative 24 plus 15 is negative 9, so that's minus 9x. Then we have some numbers here. We have 8 minus 10, which is negative 2, plus 1 is negative 1, and that should be G circle F of x.